Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my last month trading based on the Doji candle. How the Doji candle is performed for this contract of October contract. So the same which we are going to update on the 1st of November if any kind of pattern which forms on my Telegram channel. If you are not yet joined my Telegram channel, just go through my description and you will find out the link for my Telegram channel. You can join with me that particular channel, so you will be getting updated most effective candlesticks pattern on daily basis. All right, and thanks for subscribing me, and we are reaching near than 4,900 subscribers right now. Thank you all to join with me on my YouTube channel. So the most powerful candlesticks pattern, that is Doji, that we are taken on last month. Let I show you that the post which I posted on the last month, so that is happening on 2nd October. Right, these are the stocks on HCL Tech, MRF, Nifty, Infosys, Indus Bank and ACC. These are the stock which forms a doji candle on the 1st of October. It is comes under the doji at top daily as well as doji at bottom daily. Both the stocks which is present on the 1st of the month, it will shown on both the scanners, top as well as bottom, because that day, the first day should be the high as well as low, should be the highest level of the month and lowest level of the month. That is the reason the both the stocks which comes under the scanner and that particular both the stocks which is represent on the both the groups. And let's see, both are same. Doji at top daily and doji at bottom daily, both are same, right? So let's go to that. Just a second, sorry. So doji at top and doji at bottom both present on the candle, because of the first day, if any stock which forms at the top or bottom, both are comes under the both the scanners. So we have 6 stocks which is finding a doji on the October 1st. So let's see all the stock, how it performed, what happened in the stock, then how the system is giving you accuracy. Everything we are going to discuss in this video. If you have any questions or a doubt also, you can comment on the comment box. So many people are asking the same again and again, why it is coming in the both the scanners. So the main reason, on the day first which is forming a doji candle, that high should be the highest level for the month as well as the low also be the same for the lowest level for the month. This is the first day, day 1. This is the high as is the low. If doji candle present, it will be shown on the top at doji and bottom at doji. That is the reason the stock which is present on both the both that. So the first stock which is HCL Technologies, and let's say what happened in HCL Technologies based on the doji candle. So where you seen the doji candle, where can you able to see the doji candle on HCL Technologies, that we have marked not today, on the 1st of October we marked it out. So what is the level for the stock? 1284 and 1260, almost 24 point stop loss, right? 1284 and lowest level should be 1260. If you are trading this stock, your stop loss should be 24 or the risk should be 24. We can focus both the level about the stock, we can play with that. So the first entry where it is triggered by buy side, it never trigger a stop loss and it moves 1340, somewhere around 64 point. That is what 1:2 risk reward ratio it generated, and after that some result and other factors, it triggers the entry point. And from this level, so if you are going to take an entry again, this should be your stop loss, because new high should be your stop loss. And then market is started falling 1152, near about 100 points down from that entry. So the buy entry given you 64 point, but sell entry having a high risky, because we should keep near about 80 point stop loss, because with recent high only we can initially it triggers the entry upside, that given a target, then if you want to trade in a downside, you should keep this recent high as our stop loss. But if you are taking a trade again here, it may be trigger your stop loss, that's it. But after that it moves a 100 point. The first entry should be the best entry, that given you opportunity within a 5 days, it gives you more than 1:2 risk reward ratio in HCL Technologies based on the doji candle, right? So within the single candle give you such a great opportunity where you are going to make money from the trade, right? Let's focus on a second one is MRF. Let's see MRF. It's not good for intraday trade or even a positional trade. It is always trading with a big gap, and MRF, that is also working very good, but I'm not focusing this stock to take a trade. So here the low is 78,510, here 78,500. It slightly triggers your entry nearby stop loss. This low is 7510, here 10 rupees. Next day itself it triggers your entry point, and this kind of movement 87,000 from 70. What is the entry point? Just a second. So for the risk for the trade is 79,370, 78,500, near about a 1,000 point risk. Initially it triggers and it moves to 8,500, and then it may be trigger your stop loss. Okay, exactly 10 rupees it reaches, but second trade may be stop loss, and third it generate you more than 10,000 points. From the 87,000, from this point of 79,000, it went up to nearby 7,000 rupees. It moved because of this doji. And after that here, then another doji it falling down. So the first of the day where the doji is forms, that is having more power. So these two stocks, HCL Technologies and MRF, were giving you such a confusion trade. But one side HCL Tech given you target, and this one triggers your stop loss and then move up. So if you are taking a reversal trade and again reversal trade, maybe two trades you lose, but third trade given you 6,000, 7,000 points. And the third stock is Nifty. Nifty doesn't give you opportunity because after the doji it was gap up. This is the doji candle on Nifty. Can you see that? This is happening on 1st of this month, 1st of October. But many of the people who missing this opportunity, but using another candlesticks pattern that is called Morningstar, so that is the entry opportunity on Nifty. So based on the Morningstar, 1, 2, 3, Morningstar, it is broken that level of 17,700. Now today it is trading around same level, near about 100 and 150 points up, but before that it went up to 18,600, almost somewhere around 900 points. It generated you the profit in Nifty based on the candlesticks pattern. But doji candle doesn't work. It doesn't work means it is not giving you any entry opportunity. So that there is a no entry opportunity. If you are waiting for this price, there is a that price is not yet traded, right? The next day gap up, market moving higher, and it went up. So huge, 1,000 points. This is what the third stock. HCL giving you entry, and sale entry also works very well. MRF 2 times stop loss, third time went huge. Nifty no entry but very big move, and Infosys. These stocks are working marvelous. This is the entry point triggered from 1679. It went up to 1845 maximum. So there is a lot of opportunity to make a trade with the futures or even options. So those people who are learning from my option strategy, if next month if I provide you this doji candle, you can play with the 2:1 strategy. That will give you such a great opportunity. 2.1 strategy. So based on this doji breakout, 2.1 strategy give you some better opportunity to make such a great profit if you are following our strategy. Those who are learned about my paid session, so this is the clue. So 2.1 strategy, you can focus for a next month doji candles, right? Infosys also working good, and IndusInd Bank and SEC. Let's go for a Indus Bank. No problem at all. When Indus Bank started from 112, 112, 1,112 rupees the entry. So almost somewhere 22 point is the stop loss. but within the next 2 days it generated such a good profit, and even it is keeping higher around 1239, almost 120 point from this low entry. It given you such a great opportunity based on this single doji candle. And finally we are going to see about ACC. ACC, what happened ACC on first of this month? This is the candle, right? First of this month ACC was another stock which is first triggers buy entry and sell trigger sell entry, again it buy entry, it moves up. This time it is moving around 2300. That was working well. I think the same stock which we are providing based on the weekly doji, this is the entry point, right? I think sorry, not ACC, that is Ultratech Cement. This is not a doji, that is Ultratech Cement we are using based on weekly doji. This is a monthly doji. Maybe it triggers your stop loss 2258, but people who know, if you are playing with the 2:1 strategy, 100% sure it wasn't profitable at this point of time. But if you are doing naked, you should keep the stop loss. You hit the stop loss and again it reverses the entry, that time it gives you money. So but meanwhile you lose to 2 times. First trade loss, second trade loss, third trade should be the profit. But instead of doing your 2.1 strategy or SBP strategy, if you are following, even it is more powerful. So you will be getting the doji candle will give you such a great opportunity. That is the power of this doji candle that was working very well in positional trade. Sometimes intraday trades also it is giving you such a great return, but I am discussing more on positional and my concentration on more positional trades. That's about this video, how the doji candle works. Even some other trades, that is a engulfing trade and piercing line, that is also working very well. So that I will come to new video. I'll make you about how this stocks which is working well, and to set up Ashok Leyland, separating line, bullish and bearish. So these are the stocks, how it is working, on neck pattern, in neck pattern. How many these stocks on the first of this month, 2nd October, how those stocks works. So that I come to on our next video. I hope this video may be useful to you all, and think about this doji candle that was working good and well. Thanks for giving your time, and thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading. Thank you so much. Thank you.